Hey guys, today I'm with my friend Isaac. Say hello.
Hi.
He usually doesn't act like that. He's just But anyway, today I'm gonna show you guys some of my toy guns that I sometimes play with, not all the time. Me and Isaac sometimes play with them. And shut up, yes we do. Anyway, so my first one, I think it's the Glock 17. It's orange. And so there's a slide back. So you pull it back and then shoot it. Okay, and it has a little hole in the bottom, so it's kind of messed up.
No, I think
And working trigger, like so. And there's pretty good aims, not really, just some good aims.
dude, that's like the best thing.
Pow! Woo! Anyways, so this gun was used in a lot of games that we play, and it's very useful. It has good aims. My mic is like messing up so much right now. Sorry about that. You can't hear me that good, but it's a pretty good gun. It's like back very easily, fast and simple, and there's good sights. And yeah, this is a pretty good gun. So you can subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.